Hi everyone! Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. Today, I'm going to share a very easy but delicious blueberry muffin recipe. Let's get baking! We will need 2.5 cups of plain flour, 1 cup of fresh milk, 1 cup of blueberries, plus more for topping, 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of white sugar, 2 medium eggs, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a bowl, add the melted butter, vegetable oil, white sugar, and mix them together. Add the milk, lemon juice, sour cream, eggs, and vanilla extract. Continue mixing until they're well combined. Add in the lemon zest, then add a bit of flour with the blueberries and coat them. This is to prevent the blueberries from sinking too much. Now, sieve together the flour, salt, and baking powder. And mix them together until well incorporated. Scrape the sides of the bowl. Now, fold in the blueberries. Now, line the cupcake tray with liners. Then, scoop the mixture and fill each liner about 3/4 full. Now, put some blueberries on top if you have extra. Bake this in preheated oven of 190 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And here's our finished product! These blueberry muffins are so soft, moist, and delicious, perfect for breakfast or afternoon tea. This is what it looks like inside. Look at that! So moist! If you liked today's recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye! Look at that!